Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change new mail notification sound in Windows 10. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button on icon with a start and then you need to go to settings. Here you need to open system display sound notifications and power options, and now from the left panel you need to go to sound. Then you need to open from the right panel sound control panel. So I open it, and then sound settings should be successfully displayed here. We need to go to sounds tab, and then we need to scroll down and find here new mail notification event. We need to select it, and then you need to change sounds by clicking here, and here you need to select sound that you want to use. For example, I select here Windows ding. Of course, you can always test this sound if you want by clicking here, or you can choose your own sound by clicking browse. Everything depends on your preferences, but in my opinion this sound is really great. So I select it, and then I click apply button and I click OK. After that, new email notification sound should be successfully changed. It's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to support me and buy me coffee from the link in description.